Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. As you can see, this is my 2020 Dodge Durango RT, and my left front turn signal light is out, and today I'm going to show you how to fix that. Just constantly clicking.
So these are the bulbs you need, 4157NA Sylvania.
First we're going to pop the hood. So we have to remove the air intake, and I'm going to use a 5/16 to do that. Just like that. Okay, next thing is to remove the air intake box. You got this snaps here, and that's what they're called. Just snap them off and lift that out. You're gonna remove your filter. Clearly mine needs changing. Next up, we're gonna remove the intake itself. There's a green tab over here. Loose. And this just gonna pull out from here. Just like that. All right, now we have access to where the flasher is. So it's this one. Just hold it and turn. Just like that, it's out. So I'm gonna pull this out. Get ready for the new one. Here's the new bulb. Just gonna put it back in there. Just like that. I'm gonna put it back by inserting it and turning it, and it's in there. Before I close everything up, I'm going to test the light, make sure it works. Here we go. As you can see, now it's working. Now we can put everything back. I'm going to do everything we did just in reverse, starting with this one here. Might take a while. All right, here we go. All right, finally, there we go. It's working. Everything is put back together. Everything is in place. This whole engine bay just needs a little wash, but that's it. Now I'm inside the car. You see it's working. The flash is not clicking fast. There are no warning lights. Nothing telling me there's a problem. So now it's fixed. Hope you guys learned something. Please subscribe.